Welcome to Primax Autos, where we explore the world's most exciting cars. Today, we take a closer look at the 2026 Ferrari, a masterpiece that continues Ferrari's legendary tradition of speed, luxury, and cutting-edge engineering. This latest Ferrari represents the perfect balance between racing heritage and modern innovation, designed for those who demand nothing but the best. Bold and aerodynamic exterior design. The 2026 Ferrari showcases an aggressive yet elegant exterior that instantly commands attention. Sculpted body lines, advanced aerodynamics, and a low, wide stance give it a powerful road presence. Ferrari's iconic design language is enhanced with modern touches such as sharper LED lighting, improved airflow channels, and lightweight materials that boost both performance and efficiency. Luxurious and driver-focused interior. Inside, the 2026 Ferrari delivers a cockpit that blends luxury with pure performance. Premium materials like fine leather, carbon fiber, and Alcantara surround the driver, creating a refined yet sporty atmosphere. A fully digital instrument cluster, advanced infotainment system, and customizable driving displays ensure that every journey feels intuitive, immersive, and connected. High-performance engine and powertrain. At the heart of the 2026 Ferrari lies a powerful engine engineered for breathtaking performance. Whether powered by an advanced V8, V12, or a hybrid-assisted setup, this Ferrari offers rapid acceleration, a thrilling exhaust note, and exceptional responsiveness. Enhanced transmission technology and optimized weight distribution ensure smooth power delivery and razor-sharp handling. Advanced technology and safety features. Ferrari has equipped the 2026 model with state-of-the-art technology to enhance both driving pleasure and safety. Advanced driver assistance systems, traction control, adaptive suspension, and multiple driving modes allow the car to perform confidently in various conditions. These features work seamlessly to maintain control while preserving the excitement Ferrari is known for. Driving experience and handling. The 2026 Ferrari is built to deliver an unforgettable driving experience. Precise steering, improved chassis dynamics, and race-inspired suspension tuning make every corner feel controlled and exhilarating. Whether on city roads or open highways, this Ferrari offers a perfect blend of comfort and track-ready performance. Conclusion. The 2026 Ferrari is more than just a car, it's a symbol of passion, innovation, and performance excellence. With stunning design, powerful engineering, and advanced technology, it continues to set new standards in the supercar world. Stay connected with Primax Autos for more exciting updates, reviews, and insights into the latest automotive legends.